Semiconductor chips are used in the inverter circuit of the variable speed motor drive device in the electric vehicle control system. Since the semiconductor chip generates heat when a large current flows through it, the semiconductor chip needs to be used in conjunction with a cooling device. In electric vehicle control systems, liquid-cooled cooling devices that circulate coolant are used to improve heat dissipation capabilities. In the fluid-cooled cooling device, the thin plate-shaped fins in the metal base are integrated into a unit so that the thin plate fins are evenly installed in the ducts for the coolant. By flowing pressurized coolant in the conduits, thermal energy generated from the semiconductor chips is efficiently dissipated to the coolant via heat sinks with large surface areas. The coolant, whose temperature rises due to the heat dissipated from the semiconductor chip, is cooled by an external heat exchanger. The coolant is pressurized by a pump and returned to the conduit in which the heat sink is located.